Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, Apple's new Siri AI is one of the most exciting features introduced with iOS 27. It offers smarter conversations, better context awareness, writing assistance, and deeper integration across apps. However, many users are surprised when they update their iPhone and discover that the new Siri experience isn't available. The first thing to check is whether your iPhone supports Siri AI. These advanced features require newer hardware, so older iPhone models may not be eligible. If your device is compatible, make sure Siri is enabled by going Settings, then Siri. So guys, open Settings and then go to Siri from here and check that all Siri features are turned on. So I simply turn on all Siri features, and if you still don't see Siri AI, you may need to join Apple's waitlist. To do this, open the Siri or AI settings section on your iPhone and look for the option to request access. Once you have joined the waitlist, Apple will notify you when your account is approved and the new AI features are ready to use. Keep in mind that approval times can vary. Some users gain access within days, while others may need to wait longer depending on demand and regional availability. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.